we're introducing 3 new additions to the Galaxy Tab S8 series, including a new, incredible member of our lineup. We are bringing the power of Ultra to our tablets for the very first time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The Tab S8 Ultra revolutionizes the industry as we know it. With its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, this display is clear and bright with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, which means stunning graphics and a smooth scrolling experience. Our engineers pushed the limits of innovation to build this powerful and expansive display into a slim form factor. They crafted a 6.3mm bezel, so now you can enjoy the slimmest and largest display of any Galaxy Tab yet. I've been using the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's large display to prepare for big presentations like this one. The large display lets me multitask without having to toggle between apps. You can even adjust the size and position of your app windows. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's expansive display creates an immersive gaming experience, drawing you into the vivid landscapes of other worlds. And with one of our best video calling experiences yet, it will help you stay connected with your friends and colleagues. The Galaxy Tab S8 makes it super convenient to video chat. With dual cameras positioned on the long side of the tablet, I love that I can keep my tablet in landscape mode. Last weekend, when my friend was visiting me, she decided to join me on my call with my mom. Thanks to the Tab S8's ultra-wide lens, combined with innovative auto-framing, both of us were always in the frame. And the powerful 3-way microphone with AI technology made sure our voices could be heard clearly, even with background noise. We've partnered with Google to make your video calling experience more collaborative. With Google Duo's live sharing capability, you can easily brainstorm together, share ideas and images on Samsung Notes, watch videos on YouTube, or search for locations together on Google Maps. With this video calling experience, we're empowering you to connect with people, no matter where they are. And that's just the beginning. We are working closely with Google to bring more open experiences to our tablets, with more updates to come later this year. The Tab S8 series brings the digital and analog experiences together with the S Pen. Compared to the Galaxy Tab S7 series, we reduced S Pen latency by more than 30%. Combined with a display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, your S Pen will glide smoothly as your ideas flow. Since its launch, Samsung Notes has been the original companion of the S Pen. And for over a decade, this app has continuously evolved to address the needs of our users and is now integrated with Microsoft OneNote, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Samsung Notes is one of our most beloved native apps with over 1 billion downloads on Google Play. Fans have told us about their favorite Samsung Notes experiences, including features that aren't so well known. So today, we're excited to share some of those with you.
What do you do when inspiration strikes? We write, draw, dream, and imagine in our notes. From the original S Note to the Samsung Notes you know today, we've enhanced our app with every new generation, improving everything from writing and coloring and S Pen to text to screen-off memos. And this year, we took your most recent feedback to introduce updates that better meet your needs. Display 2 pages side by side, annotate image files, and sync notes faster across devices. Inspired by something you see online? Just grab the site and add it directly to your Samsung Notes. No need to capture and scroll over and over. Now you can just scrapbook the entire site, or simply pull in the link. Expand your creativity by using the expansive display of your Galaxy Tab as your canvas and your Galaxy smartphone as a palette. This seamless interaction between Galaxy devices helps bring an analog feeling to your digital experience. And when you're working on a virtual group project, easily swap notes for convenient collaboration with one another. Then pull it all together. It's that swift and simple. Unleash your inner artist and let your imagination flow onto the screen. Samsung Notes can be your ultimate creative outlet.
It's how I like it. It's how I like it.
Samsung Notes is made for you, so you can proudly say, my notes, my way.
You've just seen the amazing experiences that the S Pen and Samsung Notes bring to life. Whether you're working, playing, or creating, our open ecosystem of devices and partnerships elevates what a premium tablet experience can deliver. For artists, illustrators, and designers, we are leveling up our partnership with Clip Studio Paint to elevate your creative work using the S Pen. Your tablet is your canvas, and your S Pen is your paintbrush. Now you can use your smartphone as a palette. And we're excited to announce that we collaborated with LumaTouch to optimize LumaFusion for Samsung devices for the very first time. This popular top-ranked tool provides a desktop-like professional video editing experience. The Galaxy Tab S8 series is equipped to record in 4K video with both the front and rear cameras. So everything you film will come out in stunning detail and definition. You can even use the Tab S8 to edit right away, or sync videos captured on your Galaxy smartphone to your Tab S8 series using OneDrive, and then edit them using LumaFusion. Personally, I'm a big multitasker, and that's why I love how my Tab S8 allows for a truly two-in-one experience. From the moment I attach my book cover keyboard, Samsung DeX unlocks so much potential, fully transforming my tablet into a PC-like experience. And that keyboard is not only super convenient, but protective, acting as a book cover to shield my tablet from damage. The Galaxy Tab S8 series also works seamlessly with Windows PCs. It's easy to connect with my laptop and use as a wireless monitor with the touchscreen capability of a tablet. The Galaxy Tab S8 series is more than just a tablet. It's an idea vault, a canvas for creativity, a video editing studio, and a productivity machine. All of this is supported by our most powerful chipset in a Galaxy Tab. It has a 4-nanometer processor, the first we've ever put in a tablet. And with up to 16 gigs of RAM, the Tab S8 Ultra will stay responsive and ultra-fast. The Galaxy Tab S8 series comes with expandable storage, which means you can increase storage by up to 1 terabyte. It's hard to believe a tablet can be this powerful, but the Tab S8 Ultra is. See for yourself. Galaxy Tab S8 series helps you make the most of work, play, and everything in between. With our most powerful performance yet and our most expansive tablet display ever, this series will bring your biggest ideas to life. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will be available for $1,099, Tab S8 Plus for $899, and Tab S8 for $699. Pre-orders start today. And if you pre-order, you'll be able to experience the book cover keyboard on us. If you upgrade to a new Tab S8, you'll be able to easily transfer your content using Smart Switch, whether you're moving from another Android tablet or even a different platform. This is what we mean by an open ecosystem.